Atoms chapter, interest second year physics. So relation between total energy of electron and potential energy of electron. So useful for problematic topic, derivation of formula. So we know that potential energy of electron U is equals to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. మనము ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం. అండ్ టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, దట్ ఈజ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ కైనటిక్ ఎనర్జీ is 1 by minus 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. ఇవి రెండు డెరైవ్ చేసాం. So now what is the ratio between U and E? So U by E is equals to, U is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R by minus 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So which is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this denominator will be numerator, that is minus 8 pi epsilon naught into R by E square. E square cancel, R cancel. So pi epsilon naught cancel. So 4 ones 4 twos, minus into minus plus. So U by E is equals to 2. This is the relation between U and E, that is potential energy and total energy of electron, showing U by E is equals to 2. Similarly, what is the relation between E and K? So what is the relation between E and K? So we know that it is a total energy of electron minus 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. Kinetic energy of electron, K means kinetic energy of electron. This is simply 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. It is a negative, it is a positive. So this implies E by K is equals to minus 1 by 8 pi epsilon naught into E square by R. So this denominator will be changed as a numerator into R by E square. E square and this will be cancelled. Pi epsilon naught 8 cancel. So E by K is equals to minus 1. So important for numerical problems, this topic. So this topic we use in the solutions of numerical problems. So relation between potential energy and total energy of electron, relation between total energy and kinetic energy. So that's all.